So a couple of years ago, I created this deck of questions to help people get to know each other by sharing authentic stories and having non-judgmental conversations about taboo topics. People have played this game at parties and on dates, and since I'm an app developer, a lot of people have asked me why I don't turn this into a dating app. The truth is, I know it takes a team of people to create a good dating app, and there's already a lot of good ones out there. Like, for example, Field, who, like me, care about creating a space for diverse people to be themselves and connect with others. So I created a demo of a dating app and how I could combine it with this game. Let me show you. So I've got the demo here, and it's like a Field profile. I have an about section and desires and interests. So I'm gonna add a little bit to my about section. I'm gonna say, I would love to talk about Shibari. And I'm also gonna add that down here to my interests, Shibari. I'm gonna save this profile, and I'm gonna go over to my matches where I have a match that I've already been talking to about our shared interest in Shibari, and we've made some plans to meet. So I'm gonna click here on this button for the Sparks game that I've created. It's going to brainstorm some questions that are based on both of our profiles, topics that we'd love to talk about. So as it's brainstorming questions, I can add some of my own. Let's say, what is a favorite travel destination you've been to? Add that, and then when it finishes brainstorming, we can take a look and see if it's asked us any questions about our shared interest in Shibari. Right here I have, what's the most important thing you've learned about Shibari that you've wanted to share? And I've got 10 other questions here that it's created, and now I can play this game with my match. So I click on play, and it brings up this suggestion that we play, and I tap on the questions, and we can swipe through these questions together and have an interesting conversation about topics that we are both interested in talking about. I also want to talk about the technical side of this app. So it's on the back end, it's powered by DeepSeek's R1 model that I fine-tuned using Hugging Face's auto-tune to be good at asking questions like this deck and questions based on profiles that people are both interested in talking about. And the front end of the app is built using Ionic and Vue, so it works on iOS, Android, and web, all with the same code base. And I also made it multilingual, so I can switch it to any language, English, Spanish, whatever. I have light mode and dark mode. The whole app works in both modes, and this is just an example of what I can do. I put this demo together this week to showcase how I can combine my app development experience, my knowledge of AI, and my passions to be a valuable addition to your team. I'm open to new opportunities right now, so if you're looking for a well-rounded and experienced developer who can bring his passion to your team, let's talk about what I can do for you.